Okay, today I want to share about this, how we set up this IP video intercom kit. It's really straightforward, but for this IP video intercom, this kit is coming together with the one outdoor station and one indoor station. Okay, the model is for this is a DS-KIS603-P. This is a PoE support and also Wi-Fi support, but today I will show the PoE support. Okay, as you see in over here, you can see my outdoor intercom, and this is my indoor intercom, which is just connected by PoE, and you have a power already. Okay, come to the here. So today I want to demonstrate how we activate this intercom system without any computer. But because we have able to use the Wi-Fi, so I have to set up the IP address according to my gateway. So I come to the here, I just activate the device. So as we always using the password as Alliance DMIN 7412. Alliance DMIN 7412. As we know, this password we can able to use what you want to do, what you want to create the password. No need to follow me. Okay, for this part you click OK to activate, and you just follow step by step. Next. Okay, local IP. If you want to change your IP, because accordingly we have to change our IP as well. Okay, so over here, okay, you just change the IP according to my network 68.0.30. Okay, and this 168.1. Okay, so next. Okay, this just leave it. Next. Okay, this is my outdoor. He will detect this device. So this is exactly his one, but you have to know we have must be under same gateway. So we click over here, we activate it. Okay, activate success. We click over here again. Click over here. Okay, we refresh it. Because you must have to waiting for the device activate. Okay, it is already activated. You click the edit. Now you can change the parameter 168.0.31 and the gateway as well. Okay. So now you already activated. I press finish. So it's already connected. As you see, you can oversee the live view already as well. Already able to see the live view. So over here, you also can from the outdoor, press the button. You're able to call in already. Okay, that is a simple to activate the device, and also you're able to have a repeating sound because just next each other. Okay, thank you for watching.